Processes and threads are fundamental elements in execution management within operating systems, as they allow for the organization and optimization of processor usage. A process is defined as the active instance of a running program, including both its instructions and all the information necessary for its operation, enabling the system to efficiently manage multiple tasks. Furthermore, the evolution toward shared processing has allowed several processes to alternate using the CPU, giving the impression of simultaneous execution. Threads emerged as a solution to reduce the overhead associated with managing entire processes, as they represent lighter units of execution that share resources within the same process, thus allowing for greater efficiency and speed in the execution of related tasks. Consequently, processes and threads go through different states throughout their life cycle, such as new, ready, running, or blocked, allowing the operating system to control their behavior and allocate resources appropriately. Similarly, the control of these elements is achieved through structures such as the process control block, which stores key information about their state, execution, and resources used. Therefore, understanding how processes and threads work is essential to optimize operating system performance, improve resource management, and ensure smooth and organized application execution in modern computing environments.